Welcome to Lock Chuck. This is me going for my white belt. This is Master Lock number 1. It does work. Alright. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway with a 40 thousandths wrench. And I'm going to go with a 30 thousandths copy of a monkey paw that I made out of filler gauge. Alright, there goes fill that 1. Twos, don't give anything. 3's binding because I can't get. There we go. Just felt like I said 3. And come on, number 4. There we go. Number 4. There we go. We got to open. Alright. Alright. That's it. Master Lock. Let's see. Number 1. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Just real quick. What I'm using, just a Harbor Freight vise that I upgraded to the small rig clamp. Alright. Again, there's a pick I made. Filler gauge, 30 thousandths, just for master locks, because I can apply a little bit more pressure on the pins without bending the pick. Some G10 from Maker Material that I put on with some brass rivets and some epoxy. Alright, and these are going to be me progressing through my belts. These will be coming up. Alright, thanks for watching.